Wow, we're at this gorgeous penthouse apartment in Houston, Texas. This is at the Cortland Museum District in Houston, Texas. The Cortland Museum District in Houston, Texas. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous, huge, probably 15, 16 feet ceilings penthouse. It's a 1 bedroom and it's just stunning. Now, what we're about to do is we're gonna walk into the bedroom. Bedroom is pretty gorgeous. So first of all, really big, big bedroom, very tall ceiling up here. And you got space here to put that king bed in here, and then you're gonna wake up to some fantastic views every morning and go to sleep to them every night. So you've just got that fantastic feel here. It's just great. Well, then we're gonna go and we're gonna check out the beautiful bathroom. Wow, look at this gorgeous bathroom. You got this massive tub that's there. The tub is just great. And then you've got this dual sink that's here. This is just gorgeous. And then, hey, you've got a wonderful shower. So that shower is gorgeous. It's a walk-in, it's huge, it's tall. You're gonna love that part. And then we're gonna go into here and see the closet. The closet's massive, there's actually two. So here's closet number 1, and then here's closet number 2. Just huge walk-in, massive closets. You're gonna love the closet space in this Houston penthouse. Isn't this beautiful? So we're gonna go back out and then end up back here so you can see this. It's just simply phenomenal. It's a beautiful Houston high-rise apartment. So let's go check this out, and we're actually gonna go check out some amenities. If you have questions about anything that you're seeing, send me a text, just use the number below, and I'll get you a tour or I'll get you more information. Whatever you need, we'll take care of you, and it's always 100% free.